Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Yes, I said this series was going to be the top 8 secrets. However, I really cannot finish this series without sharing with you the one word that's had such a massive impact in my life. This one word has completely changed my life financially, for eBay, dropshipping, my relationships, how I teach my kids, my health, my hobbies, literally every part of my life that I can think of. But before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step by step how anyone can build a 7-digit automated dropship business from their home, from scratch, and using less than $100. So let's launch straight into it. Back in the 90s, I learned a Japanese word from Anthony Robbins called Kaizen. This one word was a complete game changer for my whole entire life. The amazing thing is, the English language does not have a one-word translation for this Japanese word Kaizen. The closest English translation to what Kaizen means is continuous and never-ending improvement. At first, when I heard this, I thought, whatever. But finally, a light bulb went on and I got it. Kaizen sums up a lot about the Japanese culture. The Japanese have this knack of continuously improving what they do. They don't keep, ending projects and starting new projects like a lot of Western society. Instead, the Japanese prefer to keep improving existing projects. Take the Japanese car industry as an example. Most Japanese car manufacturers don't suddenly drop each model and then bring out a brand new model each year. Instead, they continuously improve the existing models. They simply keep making them better and better. Take the Toyota Corolla as an example. Toyota first introduced the Corolla to the world in 1966. And every year since 1966, Toyota just keeps improving it and making it better and better. Since 1974, it's been one of the best-selling cars in the world. We can use this same strategy of continuous and never-ending improvement for everything in life, including eBay dropshipping. If we look around at people who do the same thing over and over, they get better and better at it. This can be in business like, building a dropship business. However, it can also be for almost every other facet of life. Like playing music, sports and hobbies, health. It doesn't matter. If you keep working at improving anything, you just can't help getting better and better at it. In Secret 1, I talked about how life does not reward us for being a jack of all trades. Life rewards us for what we master. This is Kaizen, continuous and never-ending improvement. If you missed Secret 1 or any other secrets, I'll put a link at the end of this video. There's another saying, to win the game, you need to stay in the game long enough to win the game. As simple as Kaizen sounds, so many people do the opposite. So many people continually chop and change and start chasing the next silver bullet. This is the equivalent of Toyota stopping the production of the Corolla and starting from scratch with a brand new model each year. The way to win the game for anything in life, whether it's dropshipping on eBay or anything else, is to stay in the game long enough to win the game. With eBay dropshipping, it's all about continuous, small baby steps. The secret's just to keep doing those baby steps. Keep learning. It's all about continuous, never-ending improvement. If you missed secrets 1 to 8, I'll put a link on the screen and below. If you want more detail about how to build an automated eBay dropshipping business, I have a free, online, step-by-step workshop teaching how anyone can build a 7-digit eBay dropship business from scratch using less than $100. I'll put a link on the screen and below. Please leave me a comment below. Do you already use Kaizen in your life already? If you do, I'd love to hear how it's helped you. And while you're there, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that puts out weekly videos teaching step-by-step how anyone can build a 7-digit online business from their home, from scratch, using eBay and Amazon, and using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.